In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make account Splitit 2025 step by step. If you're new to Splitit, it's a service that lets you split eligible purchases into monthly installments using your existing credit card. Creating an account isn't required before checkout, but it makes managing your payments, cards, and schedules just much easier, so let's walk through it together. Start by opening your browser and going to splitit.com. On the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click it to open the Sign In page. Here, you'll be asked for your email address. Type the email you want associated with your account, ideally the same one you'll use when you shop, so everything stays in one place. After you enter your email, check your inbox for a verification message from Splitit. Open that email and click the verification link to confirm you're the owner of the address. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and take a quick look in your spam or promotions folder. Verification links sometimes expire, so if it's been a while, request a fresh one on the site and try again. Once your email is verified, you may be prompted to set a password. If you see that prompt, create a strong password you can remember. If you aren't asked for a password, don't worry. Some accounts simply authenticate by email verification, and you're still good to proceed. After you're in, you'll have the option to add a credit card to your account. Keep your card handy and enter the card details exactly as they appear, including the billing address that matches your card statement. Adding your card now makes future payments smoother and lets you easily manage installments. Just a heads up, Splitit uses your existing credit limit, and in some cases you might see an authorization hold as part of how installment plans work. That's normal for the service and not an extra charge. You can update or remove your card later from your account settings if needed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use an email you check regularly so you don't miss verification messages or account notifications. If the site sends you back to sign in after verification, just enter the same email again and continue. And for security, it's best to avoid public Wi-Fi when entering payment information. That's it. You've gone to splitit.com